Hey, I'm here at your house at 2619 Westway in Rocky River. That was the wife of the owner. You see you have a nice big parking lot here. This is located in a very nice area. There's some very nice houses. This has like this is got a siding that is not shingle. So you have a kind of a nice dining room area here. It's nice. This is staged, of course, but you got the wood floors look nice. You walk into the kitchen here. It's got gas and nice stainless steel refrigerator, granite countertops. Then it steps up to a living room area, which again is nice. It's staged, but there you go. That's on there, and it has one bedroom here. So this is one of the bedrooms on the first floor, and you have a bathroom down here, right here, a full bath. So you have a shower, 3/4 of a bath. So then you go upstairs here to the, oh, I should also show you one other thing here. So off the living room, and you have newer windows, of course, through here. And you have a nice patio here. By the way, it's about 65 degrees here in Cleveland. It's very warm. And again, you can see you have that nice siding, so you're not going to have that. All that stuff is closed up. It's really nice. So that's good. You have a newer roof. All these doors look pretty new, so and you have a nice plug-in down there, but you can see those are really nice houses behind you there. There's 2 bedrooms upstairs. They do have lower ceilings, but they're good bedrooms, and there's a bathroom. So let's go upstairs and look at those real quick. And here's the bathroom. So you have a nice big vanity here, tub, and this is all newer. Everything's pretty new, and there's your toilet. Then you have 2 bedrooms here. And they have about, they got about 6.5, 7 foot ceiling. They got 7 foot ceilings in here. And here's another, this one's a little bigger bedroom. And this one has that, so you can see it's got a little bit of space in here. Wood floors are in excellent condition. And then you have a basement too. So let's go down and look at the basement. I want to shoot this video so you can kind of get a nice walk through of this house. What I like about the house is that it has 2 bathrooms. That's huge. Location, of course. And let's go down. Sorry, basement's right over here. So it has a nice little door here. It's a very clean basement. You could finish it out actually later. But here's your laundry. As you can see, it's a big basement, and you have a sump pump down here, which is nice. Then then you have your heaters over here. Here's another sump pump. There's that dehumidifier. Here's your electrical panel, which looks pretty good. But that's all getting inspected. So as you can see, it's a nice house. So I just want to get you a video, give you a feel for it. And that's it. Thanks. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Call me if you have any questions. Thanks.